Hello friends, welcome to Surya Yoga Center, Parvatipuram. Today we will learn what are the postures for pranayama and meditation. First one, Vajrasan, Sthiti, Dandasan. Fold the right leg and bring the right heel under the right buttock. Sitting on the right heel, fold the left leg and bring the left heel under the left buttock. Sit erect comfortably with the buttocks resting on both the heels and palms resting on the thighs. In the final posture, the soles of the feet face upwards. Heels are kept together and the entire weight of the body is felt on the back of the feet. Release. Relax with Sithila Dandasana. Now second one, Siddhasana. Sthiti, Dandasana. Bend the right leg completely at the knees and place the foot under the left thigh with the heels pressed against the perineum. Bend the left leg at the knee and place the left heel on the right heel. Make sure that both the knees are resting on the ground. Sit erect with the hands resting on the thighs in Chin Mudra with elbows bent. Although the posture is exactly the same, it gets the name Siddha Yoni Asana in women and Siddhasana in men. Benefits: erects the spine. It is very useful for maintaining brahmacharya and brings stability to the mind. Limitations: it has no limitations. Release. Relax with Sithila Dandasana. Now the third one, Sukhasana. Sthiti, Dandasana. Fold the legs and cross them to place the feet under opposite legs. Sit comfortably with the spine erect. The hands rest on the thighs in Chin Mudra with the elbows bent. Here, the knees do not touch the ground. Benefits: erects the spine. It is one of the simple meditative posture and brings stability to the mind. It has no limitations. Release. Relax with Sithila Dandasana. Now fourth one is Padmasana. Sthiti, Dandasana. Draw the right leg along the ground and bend the knee. Place the right foot on the left thigh near the left groin. In the same way, bring the left foot on the right thigh near the right groin. The soles of both feet are turned upwards with the heels almost meeting each other in front of the pelvic bones. Sit erect with hands on the thighs in Chin Mudra with elbows bent. Benefits: erects the spine. Its symmetrical posture brings stability to the mind. It has also no limitations. Thank you to all.